everyone, and today we're going to be learning how to make biryani. Now, this is in my style. There's so many different ways to make biryani, but this is how we make it. So first I'm going to start off with about 4 tablespoons of olive oil on high heat and add 1 large red onion. You can use white onion as well, but we prefer red onion. And then you just want this to get slightly browned. You don't want it to get too dark because it's going to taste burnt, but just nicely fried as you can see here. And then I'm going to be adding 1 kg of chicken. This is with the bone in medium-sized pieces, and we're going to mix this up and fry the chicken evenly so that it changes color. Once all of the chicken has changed color and turned white, that is when we know it's done frying, as you can see here. And then I'm going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste into this and mix it up well. And then I'm going to be adding about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of masala. This is biryani masala. We use Shan biryani masala, but you can use any of your preference. And as you can see, I'm just mixing this up again to evenly disperse all of the flavoring throughout the chicken and cooking it while doing that as well. And then you're going to chop out about 4 to 5 medium-sized tomatoes, and these tomatoes will soften up through the process, so you're just going to mix this up and make sure that nothing sticks to the bottom. You can see here the tomatoes are starting to soften, and we're going to add in about 4 to 5 dried plums and about 4 to 5 green chilies. Here you can see it's simmering, and you can add a little bit of water if needed. Here I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of desi ghee or purified butter, and here we're just adding some water. This is going to help cook the chicken. We're not going to cook the chicken completely because it's going to cook in the oven as well. Here we are preparing the water for the rice, and we're putting in all of our aromatics, which are 1 black cardamom, 2 to 3 dried bay leaves, 5 to 6 whole black peppers, 4 cloves, 2 inches of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We're adding this all to a large pot on high flame filled with water. And here we're going to boil our rice, and we are using 3 cups of basmati rice that was pre-soaked for an hour and washed multiple times until the water ran clear. Here we can see the chicken has cooked, and we're putting it into a foil tray at the bottom, and on top we are going to sprinkle on the basmati rice, which we boiled, and you don't want to overcook them at all as they're going to cook in the oven as well. So you want to spread the rice all over the thin chicken layer, as you can see here. And on top we're going to just add in some food coloring. We're using yellow color and orange color. You can use other colors like red, and you can mix the food coloring with water if it's powder food coloring. Here we're just covering it with some aluminum foil, and we're going to place it into the oven at 360 degrees for about 45 minutes. Take out of the oven and give it a good mix. Be gentle so the basmati rice does not break, but you want to incorporate all of the spices. And here you can see this looks absolutely delicious. Eat it right hot out of the oven or top it with dahi bhalle, and we have a recipe for dahi bhalle on our channel as well, so go check that out. And I hope you make this recipe. Have a good day, and thank you for watching.